everyone, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I'm just going to do a quick and easy coffee dyed paper. We made coffee in our little getaway rental, and so got to use the extra coffee. So you just need some paper and some coffee, and that's really easy. And I'm just going to use some paper towels to cover the counter, get a 9x13 pan, cover this counter here with my paper towels. I'm doing a double layer of them just to make sure. Pour my coffee into my 9x13 pan, and all you have to do is put your paper in it. Just soak it, and as it becomes wet, it can tear, so just make sure that you are gentle with it. You may want to wear gloves. I didn't have any with me, but that's really all you do. And you can even do it on vacation. So just, make sure you get the coffee on your paper and then lay it on your paper towel to dry. Another way you can dry it is in the oven, but I didn't want to deal with that. Another thing you can do is scrunch up your paper, highly technical term there, and just put it in the coffee that way. This coffee is cooled, by the way, and it is not burning my hands. So when you do crinkle your paper up, it will let the coffee kind of settle into those crinkles and wrinkles and give it a little bit different look. Also, if you drip coffee on your paper, that's okay too. Just gives it a little more stain. So I'm just having some fun here and making this paper a little more crinkly. Another highly technical term when coffee dyeing paper. So here we go. I wanted to show you just over and over. I just am using some regular sketch paper that I had from Dollar Tree, but you can use any kind of copy paper, notebook paper, ledger paper, graph paper, whatever you have. Just do remember the paper, once it becomes wet, is really fragile and will tear. Then let your paper dry. Now you'll want to let your paper dry overnight usually, and then it will be good to go, and you will love the outcome. Now the longer you leave your paper in the coffee or tea, by the way, the more color it will absorb. Now you can also use index cards. So I did have some index cards from the Dollar Tree with my crafty stash that I bring with me. And so I'm just dipping my index cards in the coffee, and I'm going to let that dry. Now I scrunched up a few, wrinkled them up, and I'm just going to lay them out to dry. And if I drip some on some of the paper, that's okay. That kind of adds to the look. So just use up your coffee even when you're on vacation. I'm sure everyone will appreciate that you're being very frugal, and have fun coffee dyeing some paper. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer those questions for you, and enjoy making your own coffee dyed paper for your junk journals. It is really fun and super easy. As you can see, you don't have to have a lot of supplies for this. Now you can add shimmer and paints. You can add to your coffee dyed paper, but you don't have to. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy craft.